Hey, I'm Julia from neuroflash. Today I'll show you how to use our tool effectively. I'll also give you an overview of neuroflash and all its features. Content Flash lets you generate text, brainstorm ideas, and act as a general sparring partner. You'll navigate neuroflash using the left menu bar. Click the neuroflash icon to expand it and view individual menu items. At the top, you'll find neuroflash workflows. These are pre-made prompt sequences that can quickly generate a full blog post. You won't need to create prompts or give individual briefings yourself. You'll also find the chat feature here. You can set language, use brand voice, apply info, change models, and use prompt templates. Your 3 most recently used documents are shown here in a larger view. If you scroll down, you'll see a full list of all your documents. For better organization, we use tags you can create to cluster and categorize your documents. Now I'll show you how to create a new document. Click on New to get started. This takes you to your document editor. Here's a blank page where you can start writing or use AI assistance. At the top, there's a toolbar for editing your text. On the right, you'll find various neuroflash features. First, you'll see the text types. neuroflash offers a full list of categories with many different text types. These act as templates, so you can choose a category instead of prompting manually. You can also access the chat feature from here. You can create images by entering a brief and using FlashScore, neuroflash's text analysis tool. However, you'll need some text in your document to get started. neuroflash's SEO analysis helps you find and optimize keywords on your website and in your content. neuroflash also offers pre-made templates and prompts, which you can find and create here. Lastly, neuroflash provides a plagiarism scanner for your convenience. This feature also requires text within your document to function. You can share or download all your text from this section. Clicking the Content Flash button takes us back to the main overview. You'll also find the Home menu item at the top here. Home shows all neuroflash tools, recent files, and our Learning Center. Here you'll find various videos and helpful resources, including a product tour. You can access our Help Center or contact our support team directly. Image Flash is our tool for image generation. Simply enter a brief here and you're ready to start. You can use Performance Flash if you're on an eligible plan. It evaluates text emotionality and readability and serves as an ABI testing tool. The Brand Hub is accessible via the left sidebar. Here you can manage your brand voices and information centrally. Below, you'll find access to your account. View personal info, invite friends, and see your word usage overview. Check your plan, upgrade or downgrade, and set payment preferences. Pro users can manage workspaces and invite team members here. I hope this explains how to use neuroflash and you're ready to begin. Have fun!